Ever been in a quandary over when to use further versus farther? Let's clear the air. Further typically refers to abstract distances, progress, or development. Think of it in terms of advancement. For instance, the company plans to expand further into international markets, or she wanted to explore further into the forest. It's about moving beyond, not in terms of miles, but in terms of growth or exploration. On the other hand, farther relates to physical distance. It's all about the measurable extent in space. For example, the store is farther down the road, or he threw the ball farther than anyone else. It's all about the tangible, the concrete. While these words are often used interchangeably, especially in British English, they do hold distinct nuances. In American English, further leans towards the abstract, while farther is firmly grounded in physical distance. So next time you're caught between farther and further, remember, further is about metaphorical distance and farther is about physical distance.